Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Clean shoes thoroughly and let them dry, because waterproofing bonds to the material, not the grime. Once dry, move outdoors or near an open window and protect the work surface with paper. Shake the can for 30 to 60 seconds to mix propellant. You want an even spray. Test on an inconspicuous seam to check finish. Then, holding the can about 6 to 8 inches away, apply the first light, even coat across the entire shoe. Once done with the first coat, build protection by applying 2 to 3 light layers rather than one heavy coat. This prevents pooling and preserves breathability. Make sure you cover high-stress areas, seams, tongues, and stitch zones, while being gentle on mesh or suede to avoid stiffening. Space coats about 5 to 10 minutes apart, letting each layer dry to slightly tacky before the next. Keep the same 6 to 8 inch distance and smooth, sweeping motions to ensure uniform coverage. You finish by letting shoes air dry for about 24 hours in a ventilated spot. Avoid direct heat or sunlight because extreme heat can alter adhesives and textures. After drying, test water repellency with a light sprinkle. Water should bead and roll off. If you see wetting, apply another light coat and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if the finish is stiff or shows residue, gently brush the surface or use the cleaner recommended for the material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.